Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best in-ground pool cover. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which in-ground pool cover are you using right now? And what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Sunflow Solar Rectangle Solar Cover. Sunflow solar blankets are made from a film of thousands of tiny bubbles, which work together to collect and retain heat both at night and on those chilly days. The blue color provides an appealing look while also using the sun's rays to help warm your swimming pool. The use of a solar cover helps in preventing up to 95% of pool water evaporation. When not enjoying a refreshing swim, keeping your pool covered lessens the vast amount of water lost into the environment. Fill up your swimming pool less and enjoy it more. Show friends and family your bravery by jumping in without the standard toe dip. Enter the swimming pool confidently knowing the Sunflow solar cover has kept the water warm just for you. It's easy to put on and take off, allowing more time for showing off. After everyone has called it a day with wrinkled fingers from too much fun in the sun, make sure to place this solar cover back atop the water. Number 2. Blue Wave Rectangular In-Ground Pool Safety Cover. Safety pool covers, sometimes called security covers, are what the majority of pool owners use, and they're designed specifically to prevent drowning in the event a child or pet wanders into the pool when no one is around. They're strongly constructed and usually have some type of anchor system around the edges of the pool to keep it in place and will hold more weight than other covers. Guard your children and pets as you protect your pool. Durable, long-lasting Dirt Defender covers are strong enough to support your entire family, yet light enough to put on or remove from your pool in 5 minutes or less. These premium covers are made of super strong 2-ply mesh with a break strength of over 4,000 pounds. During use, the cover is held in place with brass anchors that recess flush with your pool deck when the cover is not in use. Rest assured that your children and pets are protected from accidental drowning. Number 3. Blue Wave BWC 564 Pool Cover. Standard winter covers, also called tarp covers, are the most basic types of pool covers and are just what sounds like tarps made out of polyethylene material. As the name suggests, many pool owners use these when they're shutting down their pools for the winter season. Install a Blue Wave leaf net over your winter cover this fall and make spring opening quick and easy. The leaf net's tight mesh traps even the smallest leaves before they reach your winter cover. Other brands of leaf nets have larger mesh that allow small leaves to pass through to your winter cover and decompose in the spring. Simply lay the Blue Wave leaf net on top of your winter cover when you close your pool and remove it before the first snow. Blue Wave leaf nets are made from durable woven polyethylene. In-ground leaf nets have an extra 4-foot overlap and water tube loops for a secure fit over your in-ground winter cover. Available in a variety of sizes for your in-ground pool. Black mesh fabric. Number 4. Intex Solar Cover. This is a basic solar cover, so don't have high expectations, especially when it comes to longevity. It will prevent evaporation just as effectively as pricier solar covers, but it doesn't last long. The Intex Solar Cover doesn't have concentrating bubbles, so it warms your pool by keeping the heat that's already there. So you may want to keep the pool uncovered when it's sunny, then cover it at night to prevent heat loss. All covers have drainage holes to keep water from pooling at the top. You'll also receive a storage bag to keep the cover protected from the elements when not in use. If you are shopping for a cheaper solar cover for your above-ground pool, we recommend the Intex Solar Cover. It's an Intex cover, but it'll work with any round above-ground pool with a matching diameter. It's designed to fit just inside the pool. You can also get a smaller size diameter cover for smaller above-ground pools. Number 5. Robelle 350-2040R Super Winter Pool Cover. A winter pool cover keeps debris and dirt out of your pools when it's closed for winter. It also prevents algae growth by blocking sunlight. One of the highest rated winter pool covers on Amazon is the Robelle 350-2040R Super Winter Pool Cover. This heavy-duty pool cover comes with a 10-year warranty, giving you an idea of just how durable it is. The Robelle Winter Pool Cover uses a heavy-duty material to protect your pool from debris when it's closed for winter. The cover is also waterproof, ensuring rainwater and snow don't get into the pool. A dark underside ensures sunlight doesn't reach the water, ensuring you don't find your pool full of algae when you open it. The top of the cover is treated for UV protection, so the cover won't break down after just a season. Robelle also sells the cover in different qualities with varying scrim and weight. The higher the scrim and weight, the heavier duty the cover is. Check the scrim, weight, and warranty of different Robelle winter pool covers. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.